everyone, thanks so much for joining me and welcome back to my channel. My name is Veronica. I'm here with another home decor haul. Yes. I went to TJMAXX and Marshall's today. I swear to God, I just did a home decor video this morning and then I went out again to get more stuff. But regardless, my house is looking bomb. For the first time ever, you guys, I'm so happy with all the home decor stuff that I've been getting so far. It's just, when your house looks legit, your life is legit. You know what I'm saying? I'm so proud to have you know, a husband that supports my channel, my family, everyone that supports your dreams. I'm living a happy life right now. Anyway, so let's just get started towards the haul. The first things, I'm very excited. These were for $7.99. I ended up getting two. I don't even know if you could tell, like, if it's all gonna fit on the frame. So I have these vases that I got a while ago. I wanna put them in there, and hopefully later on I'm gonna buy like white feathers from Michael's and then light them up with little fairy lights, and these will look so beautiful at night. It's just satisfying to me. I got two just in case, one in the kitchen and then the other one in the living room, or place them on the TV, like one here and one there, like on the sides. These were really good finds and were $7.99 each. They are silver with gray. I went to the store, to TJMAXX and HOMEGOODS, to find carpets for the bathroom, like little rugs, and I had like an idea sort of with these, but I didn't know that they had them there, so I got really excited because I was gonna get something similar to that at Michael's, and I knew I was gonna waste a crap ton of money there, so I ended up getting that there. Okay, the next item is from Cynthia Rowley. I ended up getting this tin can for wine. I'm not a drinker, I've said it before, but I am hosting a glamour Hollywood theme party. This one was for $19.99. I do have a bar cart that I ended up getting at Target, and I think this will be so nice just to decorate there. It is a small bar cart. I do live in a 2-bedroom apartment, so I can't afford anything large, you know, and I thought this was perfect, and I just wanted to get things for this party where I could reuse the things later on, or also use them as home decor as well. So I ended up getting this one. It has a little hook right here. I'm not sure what it is for. I'm sure it's meant for some, you know, but I just liked that it's silver, totally my alley for home decorating. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you, the next item, I don't know what it is for. If you guys have an idea, leave it down below. I got it only because it was $7. It was on sale, it was red tag, and it's like silver hardware, little tiny spoons. I told the cashier if he knew what it was for, and he told me it might be for like sugar or anything caffeine. I liked it because it's a set of 4, and it'll be like really nice to just like keep out as, you know, decor when you decorate your table scheme with it. This is from the brand BKP, fine bar and tableware. So I'm pretty sure it's just for decor or for sugar, you know what I'm saying? But if you guys have any idea, leave it down below. The original price was $9.99 for this one, so I just got it. I thought it was very fancy. It's pretty heavy, so for me, you know, heavy the better, you know what I'm saying? So I ended up getting a set of 4 of these. Also in the clearance section, I ended up getting this teacup. I thought this would be so pretty on my stove. Now my stove is very old style. The apartments haven't, you know, upgraded the appliances, but I thought this would be nice to use it on the stove and also to use it on top of books and then add a bouquet of flowers there. I thought that would look so nice and very elegant. So far I'm just gonna keep it up on my stove, just, you know, to make a little statement, just to decor on top of the stove. This one was for $7 as well, and the original price was $9.99. I've been craving or eyeing a teapot like this, and I liked it because first of all, it reminded me so much of Kate Spade. It's white and black. I do have a little like 1-seater couch that is white and black as well, so I thought that would be, you know, sort of like matchy. It does have a little bit of gold on it, which I'm not too fond of, but for $7 it's all good. There's no chips or anything like that, so that is a plus, because sometimes when it's on clearance, something's wrong with it, you know. Majority of the times it's a good find. I also ended up getting this hand wash and lotion set. This one is from She Cares. I ended up getting the white tea because it smelled so good. I got it as a set for the night of the party. If I just leave it out there right now, my kids will be like, it won't last. This was for $6.99. It comes with the lotion and the shampoo. No, it comes with the lotion and the soap. And these are really nice size. And I liked it because every time there's not a day that I go past the bathroom aisle where I don't find these kind. So they do sell it individual. So if you ever want to stock up, I think individually it's $4.99, which sucks. But I mean, if you get them on sale, they're good prices. This is a rug. Now this kind of shape or like chevron type of rug just reminds me of a house that's clean for some reason. Every time that I see a house with a rug like this, it reminds me of that. So for some reason, I'm just appealed to it. I'm gonna put this hopefully where my hallway is. I do have like a nice set of furniture there that divides the hallway and the bathroom. So this one is from Iconic Home. This one is a 22" by 54. It is a long rug that, you know, runs through the hallway. It was for $19.99. It just sucks because it is like gray with white, and I know my kids, they always run up and down with our little pug, and they're gonna just get it dirty. But anyway, regardless, I'm gonna just put it on there when guests are coming. Basically, I have to keep my house pretty much away from my kids, and it sucks because it could never look nice, y'all. It'll be like nice for a day, and then the next day I'll go to work, come back, and my house is like all destroyed. The last piece I ended up getting is a glamorous long mirror. It has silver trim on the side, and this silver I'm talking about, it's not like a metallic silver, it's shiny silver. Hi, Puggy. This silver is very shiny, and I love that it's full length. I was debating whether to put it behind the door, so where you see it right now, it's like behind where you come into my home. So it's behind there. The thing is, when you live in apartments, you are very secluded. It's very small. So I try to maintain my place looking big by adding mirrors to in different dimensions of the home. So that's what I did. So when you walk on the hallway, it looks like it's further away or longer. And I think he placed it the right length, the right level, and all that. I was very happy. This mirror I think was for $74.99. If I'm mistaken, I'll put it underneath. This mirror was for $79.99, guys. I ended up getting this for my birthday. I got it a while back ago. I just keep forgetting to mention it in my video. I ended up getting this one at HOMEGOODS, and I got it for my birthday. Well, my mom ended up getting it for me for my birthday, so I was very pleased with that because she knew I wanted a long full mirror. Yeah, guys, that's everything in this video. Thank you guys so much for coming in and joining me. It was a little tiny video, but I'm very happy with the things that I got. Hopefully you guys keep joining me every time I upload. If you guys want to be notified every time I upload a new video, there's a little tiny bell on the side where you guys could actually click on it, and then you'll receive notifications every time I upload through email. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, especially Snapchat and Instagram. I keep you guys updated. Sometimes I even take you along with me when I go shopping for makeup or clothes or home decor or anything like that. But I think that's everything I gotta say, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for so much more. Bye. Say bye, ticky tacky. Say bye. Say bye. Bye, fellas. Bye, fellas.